All right, here back with the Mustang. It's drizzling a little bit. We worked through it. I worked through it. Look at that. That was a major dent. I mean, that was like a dent inside of a dent inside of a dent. We had, I mean, it's about 98, 99%. This was like creased here. This was a large softball-sized dent. And in the center of that was very sharp. I've been working on this thing for about an hour and a half. I took a picture in the middle to show the progress of it when it was coming up. But no painting, completely paintless. This is the quality of work I do, people, here in Tampa. Some people say that I'm more expensive than the other guys quote. Well, that's because I take on the stuff that they can't fix, and I do a better job, better quality than another guy will. So, Elite Paintless Air Repair. If you got a dent or ding, especially a bad one, I can fix it. Give me a call.